Hey guys, it's Josie Bunn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a really fun video on some preppy fashion ideas. I know prep slash old money aesthetic slash all of those things is sort of on trend at the moment, and I have been loving it on Pinterest, sort of Parisian inspired as well. So to start off with, I have this amazing dress. This is a short sleeved sweater dress. It's kind of a mini dress. It's like just above the knee. I kind of wish it was a little shorter. This is from Express. I love the white piping along the stark black knit and the gold buttons that stand out against the white. I just think it's so chic and glamorous. I've got that paired with these printed tights. They're sort of like lacy tights. And I actually haven't worn lacy tights since some creep in high school made me feel uncomfortable and made me never want to wear them again. But here I am finally styling them. Please no creepy comments. I've got them styled with this really cute mini bag that I thrifted pretty recently, along with my Steve Madden's, these chunky sort of Preppy Mary Jane style platform heels, this cute little pearl watch, and vintage accessories. I've also got this little pearl teardrop necklace that I absolutely love with the gold. I love the gold accents in this. I just think it makes it look so posh and fun. It's just really pretty. And then I've got some nude nail polish as well that just happened to work out for this video. Usually I have some kind of green on my nails, but for this one I actually had a nice light pink, which actually I think fit the theme way better than a green would have. Outfit number 2 is so chic and fun, I think. I've got this gold necklace on, again, another hand-me-down inherited piece that I got. It's got like a single little jewel in it. I'm not sure if it's diamond or a rhinestone or a cubic zirconia. I'm really not sure, but it's pretty. Next, I've got my little Steve Madden's, my little gorgeous, I actually am forgetting the name of them, but I talk about these shoes all the time. They're my favorite little pink Barbie shoes. Again, I've got those same pattern tights on, along with this tapestry skirt with this gold metallic thread that runs through it, along with this beautiful cranberry color that sort of goes along with this gorgeous thrifted blazer with the, again, gold accents. I am loving. They just look so luxe and pretty and very, I don't know, just like high end. This outfit actually really made me feel sort of runway ready. I don't know, I just really loved it. And like, come on, can we get like some props in the comments for how I matched the blazer to the tulips in the background, like those two tulips in that book? Can I get like some props for that? Because like, honestly, like, I'm creating art here, you guys. I'm not afraid to toot my own horn. I was gonna say something else, but it wasn't very appropriate. Anyways, here's another shot of those beautiful shoes to take us into outfit number 3. If you can't tell, I'm definitely recording this audio way past my bedtime, which is why I'm a little bit loopy. But this outfit is super cute. Again, very preppy, sort of prep school inspired with the extremely green tennis skirt. This is actually my most vibrantly colored tennis skirt. I do want to get some more of these. And this Chanel inspired zip up jacket with these like little frilly bits that are attached to it. I have a little pearl necklace on because I think pearls and gold just go so well with this like old money preppy aesthetic, along with a mid-length ponytail, obviously curled, because what prep school student doesn't have their hair curled, right? Unless you have a short bob, that works too. And I have got my Esprit white sneakers. These are actually falling apart, but you can't see that in the video, so just pretend I never said anything and just pretend they're in perfect condition, because that's how a prep school girl would wear her shoes, in perfect mint condition. Outfit number 4, I think, is by far the most trendy quote-unquote outfit, just because I included these really fun, sort of preppy, kind of preppy goth e-girl type inspired knee-high socks. I sort of rolled them down a little bit so that they would be mid-calf length. Again, I paired those with my Mary Jane platform heels, and then I went ahead and paired that with shorts, actually. These shorts are super cute. I actually got them, I believe, at Marshall's literally like 5, maybe even 6 years ago. I like them because they've got these 6 little buttons. They used to have 4 buttons on each side. I took 2 of them off because one fell off, and so instead of putting it back on, I just took the other one off because that was easier. Then I've got this paired with a sweater vest, originally from Romwe, but I got this at the thrift store along with a button-up short sleeve top, also from the thrift store because most of my modern clothes are now thrifted, which is fun. And ignore those bruises on my leg, okay? I bruise so easily, and it's always my legs because I am usually lifting stuff with my legs, and so I'm constantly bumping them into nonsense. So, you know what? Just ignore them, okay? Ignore the bruises. This is definitely like the bad girl of the prep school, you know what I mean? Like, she skips class for sure. Like, come on, look at her. I mean, like, you can't trust her. Oh, I'm also wearing a pearl necklace. You can kind of see it there. Wow. I'm... Oh my god. So this was a super quick video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!